warm welcome to one and all. Today we will be having a mock interview of one candidate. And what I request to all the viewers over here is that first of all, take one copy and try to listen the questions which are being asked to the candidates and listen to the answers of him. And after the interview, I will give the feedback of the candidate. You are supposed to means analyze the question and just means write down the feedback. Moreover, I require that you should also introspect and even reply that if that can't if that question would have been asked to you, then what should have been the answer. In this way we will be learning, and you will even learn that what are the mistakes the other candidate is making. In this way we will be proceeding, and we will be conducting the sessions of mock interviews. So just wait for the interview and just watch it. Okay, Avnish, your name is Avnish.
Yes, sir.
What is the
Yes,
full
sir.
name of yours?
Avnish.
Avnish Tripathi. Okay, that's great.
Sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
What
Avnish.
is the meaning of Avnish?
Sir, the meaning of my name is which can never be diminished.
And how does it correlates you? And do also tell me two celebrities which are related to Avnish.
Okay, sir. Sir, my name suggests that which can never be diminished. So throughout my academics, I have always been a guy who is standing on the front, and always I'm there to take all the responsibilities. So that's why my name correlates with me.
Okay, sir. Can
And
you tell me any one
sorry, sir, I
incident?
don't know any celebrity regarding this. Sir, throughout the academics, I was the topper, and after that, whenever there's an event, I try to give my best, and uh, I was the first in many of them also.
Okay, which event are you talking about?
Sir, as like co-curricular activities, singing and quiz competition.
Okay, okay, that's great. You have a very good academic records even. Okay, just a minute.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, now we will continue. Now, sorry for the disturbance in between. Uh, Avnish, you tell me that which regiment would you like to join?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow, you joined Indian Army. You are going for Indian Army, right?
Yes, sir. Ami.
So, which regiment would you like to join? And tell me the reason of joining that regiment.
Sir, firstly, I want to join the Army Aviation as a I want to fly in the sky, and I believe that sky is only the limit. So I want to join Army Aviation, and apart from that, I have seen all the regiments, but in Indian Army Aviation is the one who is having a lots of chances for the better future, and they are also going on the foreign trips. That's why Army Aviation is better than anyone else.
Okay, if you really want to join Army Aviation Corps, then why not Air Force? Air Force is having a lot of opportunity to fly in the sky. Why not so?
So since the very childhood, I have only heard about the Indian Army. If I talk about the Indian Defense, it is only Indian Army, and the camaraderie and the brotherhood, the discipline and the punctuality which lies in Indian Army is nowhere else.
Okay,
So that's why the Indian Army is the
you mean to
preference.
say that Air Force is less disciplined and Army is more disciplined, right? You want to say this?
Not sir, not in that way, but still, Indian Army is better than Indian Air Force.
Why so?
I
Can you give
believe
me
that.
any one reason that why Indian Army is better than any other Air Force, means any other forces?
Sir, if we talk about the officers, then Army has 36,000 officers which are currently working. And apart from that, other fields are as Indian Air Force and Indian Navy. Both together have 36,000.
So
So that's why Indian Army is
on the
holding.
basis of numbers of officer, you are judging that Indian Army is much better and the two forces are not much better, right? Okay.
So as all the three commands are upholding the service, all three are good. But since the childhood, army is the dream. That's why I would like to join army.
Okay, that's great. Okay. And you are Tripathi, right? Avnish Tripathi. Tell me something
Yes,
that
sir.
the origin of Tripathis, how they have origin and how they have came into being. Anything you know?
Okay, sir. So, sir, very ancient time, it was there when four caste system was there. Brahman, Kshatri, Vaishya, and Shudra. So, Tripathis are belonging from the Brahman. It means they are there for the imparting of knowledge and getting it. After that, we Tripathis are some Saryu Pari, and this Saryu Pari says that we belong to Ayodhya, and something which is out of wonder from the Ayodhya. That is like that.
Okay, that's great. So are you very proud of your means caste, the Tripathis, है ना? Right? You are you might be very proud of it.
No, sir, not that much.
Not that
But
much. Why so? I think that
no,
you must be proud of it.
so everyone is same. Means the caste should not be divided according to the birth. It should be divided
Okay.
according to the task which are
Okay,
done.
so that's great. According to task, means for example, any you want to distribute the people depending on the task example.
So means whatever the capability of the boy or the person is, that caste should be divided from that. If a person is good in some education, then they are entitled for the education. If someone is better in the physique, he should go for the physique works.
Okay, okay. So you believe in caste system or not?
No, sir.
So you support for the casteism means there should be a class or there should be anything else. You don't support those things.
No, sir, I don't support. According to me, everyone should be equal and should have all the same rights.
Okay, that's great. Okay, Avnish, now I would like
Yes,
to,
sir.
now we will be having our session approximately, we will be talking about 20 to 30 minutes and I will be interested to
Okay,
know
sir.
about more about your family background, your education and more about your friends, right? So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Avnish, first of all, I would like to know about your education background. From which school had you done your schooling, right from your first class till your 12th class? I would like to know that in school times, in which activities you participated, in extracurricular activities, in sports, and various other cultural activities. If you participated, tell me about those things. Do also tell me that what was your favorite subject and your worst subject, the reason of good subject and the reason of your worst subject. I would like to know that who was your
Okay, sir.
favorite teacher, your worst teacher, and the reason for the same. At the same time, what was your percentage in 10th class and what was the percentage in 12th class? If there is a droppage in the percentage from your 10th class till means 12th class, then what was the reason of it? And right now, what are you doing?
Okay, sir.
You know? And you can start from your education right from your first class.
Okay, sir. So, sir, starting from the class first, I studied in Saraswati Shishu Mandir, and that is supported by Saraswati Education Systems. After that, from class 6th, I continued to another school named Shivaji Inter College. And in class 10th, I scored 86.5%. In class 12th, I scored 76%. There's a drop in my marks of 10%. That is because I was not medically fit at that time. I was suffering from malaria and I didn't get much time for the preparation before the exams. After that, sir, my co-curricular activities are I have participated in singing, quiz competitions, and I have participated in Olympiad and got AIR. After that, from sports, I have participated in badminton, cricket, and volleyball. And sir, I started running just after completing my class 12th, as I was overweight of 14 kgs. So I was to reduce my weight. For that, I started running and I reduced my weight.
Okay,
The
how
subject
much
I
kilometer?
liked,
How many kilometers do you run?
so I ran 5 kilometers daily.
Okay, that daily, not skipping, not
Yes,
even
sir.
a single day.
No, sir, I skipped on Sundays for some rest
Okay,
and continued throughout the week,
okay,
even
then that
Sunday.
is not daily, na? I think that it is 6 days a week.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Ma'am, what is your timing?
Yes, it is regular.
Timing.
Sir, timing 5 kilometers in 25 minutes.
Okay, if I tell you that you have to convert this speed in kilometers per hour, then can you please tell me that what will be your speed?
Sir, my speed will be 12 kilometer per hour.
12 kilometers per. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
And if I tell you that to convert this kilometer per hour speed in meter per second, then what will be that?
Okay, I'm telling. Sir, 10 by 3 meter per second.
10 by 3, 10 by 3 meter per second.
Yes, sir.
What will be the figure of it? And you divide, are you not able to divide it? 10 by 3.
Sir, 3.33.
Okay, that's great. So you are able to divide it very well. So why are you trying it? You should tell. Now you may continue with the answer.
So, sir, right now I'm doing BSc and my subjects are physical education, maths, and physics. The subject I liked was English as I belong to Hindu medium and I was to improve my English for joining the defense forces. For that, I improved on my English and later on, it was a love reading the English.
So
So, English is my favorite
up
subject.
till which class you had been studying in Hindi medium? Up till which class?
Sir, till class 12th.
Okay, that's great. And the continue.
Uh, then, sir, the subject I didn't like was biology because it was full of so many diagrams, and my art was not so good, so I didn't like biology.
Okay.
That I liked all the teachers. All the teachers were great, but my English teacher was so much supportive, and she was supportive to all the students, and she motivated even to me for improving the English. After that, there was no teacher whom I didn't like. All teachers were good. And sir, yes, sir, I've done all that.
Have you left out any question?
No, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Avnish. Now I would like you to tell me some of the things which are not mentioned in PIQ form, right?
Okay, sir.
And I am giving you 3 minutes to speak on. You may start.
So, sir, I'm a person who is having a confidence to talk everyone, and I easily get mixed up with all the situation. I try to cope up with all the situation which are going to be on my way, and I belong to a middle class family, and my family is so much supportive. My mother is caring. My father is honest, and he has taught me about the self confidence and honesty. My sister, she is preparing for IS and also giving some tuitions. I also give some tuition and one tuition, and I try to get my expenses on my own. After that, I live in Kanpur, and my locality is situated on the south of the Kanpur. There's river next to my home. Whenever I feel happy, I try to go there and impart my happiness with all my friends. I have so many friends in my locality. They all are supportive. We try to study together. Some of them are junior to me, and whatever the doubts are there with them, they try to clarify it with me. Some friends are senior to me, so whenever I get some doubt, I try to clear it by them. They all are so much supportive. Uh, we impart our knowledge between
Tell me the
each other,
last doubt.
and
Tell me the last doubt you
after,
cleared with your friends.
Sir, when I was preparing for NDA, before that I was having a doubt
Apart from
related
NDA,
to
apart from
some
NDA, any
article.
doubts you
So
have
I
cleared?
went to a no, sir, not so much, but there was a friend who played volleyball well. So told me about how to play volleyball,
Okay, and
as I
apart
was
from this,
not so much keen in volleyball.
anything else? Anything else? Yeah. Sports. I don't want to listen about
No,
sports
sir.
and this, not even academics. Different things. I just want different things.
Personal feelings or something. They all clarify it with me, and they tell it to me.
Okay. Any personal feeling? What kind of feeling you are talking about? Any girlfriend or anything else? What else? You are feeling sad? Maybe any reason?
Yes, sir. Sir, whatever the reason is there, I try to tell it to my family. But
Okay.
still, if something is left, I will share it with my friends.
Okay. Okay, that's great. So, okay, you may continue. Just I think that 1 minute is still left.
Okay, sir. So, sir,
Okay, no
that's it, sir.
problem. No problem.
That's what I wanted to say.
Avnish, that's great. Now I would like to know that what are your four strengths and your four weaknesses, and what are you doing to overcome your weaknesses?
Okay, sir. So, sir, my strengths are uh, I'm confident, and I take my responsibilities on my own. I think that I have good analyzing power. I try to analyze things before it is going to happen, and
So, me, you want to say you are an antaryami?
I have
You are an antaryami.
uh,
Eh?
no, sir.
You are
I'm
just
not antaryami, but
you are
I
going
try
to
to
pronounce the
listen.
things before the things are happening. Can you give me two example that you may tell that this is going to happen? What will going to happen with me right now? You tell me tell.
Sorry, sir. I didn't mean that I am a visionary person, but I
Okay.
mean to say that whatever the situation is there, I try to analyze that.
Okay. For example, give me any two situations.
Okay, sir. Sir, if I talk about there's marriage of my sister, and I'm to see the guy who is going to marry. So I went there and analyzed his personality first of all, and
What personality did you match? Means what you have seen. Can you please tell me?
so I tried that. I saw that the person is going to be compatible with my sister. Means I know the behavior, the nature of my sister. So I matched both the personalities and try to analyze that will he be compatible for her or not.
Okay, that's great. You may continue with the question.
Okay, sir. So, sir, sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall any other incident.
Okay.
For
Weaknesses.
I'm asking about the strengths. Means you
uh,
have completed your means two qualities up till
sir,
now, analyzing powers, and third one.
sir, I have confidence. Means I'm confident enough to face the situations,
Okay.
and I'm self motivated, and that's it, sir. And sir, my
What
weakness are,
what you
I
do?
think,
What you do to keep yourself self motivated? Any two incident that has actually that was that time you were not actually feeling depressed at that time and you have self motivated yourself. What was the incident?
sir, when I participated in NDA,
बाकी लोग अपने
that
वो
is 140.
एक मिनट बाकी लोग अपने वो स्पीकर ऑफ कर दो माइक ऑफ कर दो मतलब ओके कंटिन्यू अवनीश कंटिन्यू
Sir, when I participated in NDA 143, I was not able to make through the written exam, and that's at that time I was feeling a little upset.
apart from this
Uh,
I have told you that I don't want to listen about the education and sports something different
Okay, sir. Mm. So it's all related to academics. Whatever the upset feeling is there,
Okay, you don't
it will
want
be
to tell
related to
means.
academics only.
Sure. Yes, there might be anything. Other things are also there in life. There are not only academics, any sports. I don't want to listen that. But any personal life, any personal thing you want to tell.
Yes, sir. There was one of my friend who betrayed me. Means he was my close friend from class sixth, but when it was class 12, he thought that our friendship is not so good. So there was a fight between us, and I was a little upset from his behavior. So after that, I talked to him, and I tried to figure out whatever the problem is there, and we were able to solve it on our own.
So, are you friends right now or not?
Yes, sir, we are friends.
Okay, but
Even he is my best friend.
okay, okay, that's great. So you initiated or he initiated for means for resolving the issues between you.
Sir, he was having some issues, so I initiated on my own and tried to figure out whatever the problem he's facing with
Okay,
me.
can you please tell me that what was the issue?
So he was thinking that I'm not able to give him proper time, and he was thinking that
So why you were not
I'm
able to give
involved
time?
in
Means
other
I'm
friends.
I'm not able to understand that why you were not able to give the time because I don't think that you are a prime minister or anything else. What was your priorities that time?
Sir, as when we entered in class 12th, our sections got changed, and after that we were not able to meet. So and we were not in good communication at that time also. So that's why we were not in so
I
much
don't know you are
great
bluffing
bond,
me. I think
and
that
I figured that,
you are
and I
it was your girlfriend or any your means the male friend or what are you talking about?
means that he was my close friend from class 6th,
I
so
think that
it was a great
class
bonding
means
of class.
I want to know that by just changing the sections, nobody breaks the friendship. I think there are many friends of ours that who are means studying in different school, different colleges. Then even they are very much close. And then how come that by just by changing the sections, there was a fight between you? I'm not able to understand, and I'm not even convinced with this answer. Okay, no worries. Now we will proceed to the next question. Now you may continue with the weaknesses.
Sir, I think I'm a bit emotional,
Okay.
and I'm trying to face different types of situation in my life for overcoming my emotional weakness. After that, sir, I get some nervousness before just initiating the task, and I want to improve on that. So for that, still I'm trying to face so many situations, and apart from that, um, I think that my father is not getting good time to spend with my family, so I want to improve on my that. Sorry, sir.
You are not able to spend your time with your father, or your father is not able to spend your time with you.
Sorry, sorry, sir.
I'm asking that you told me that time your father is not able to spend the time with you.
Yes, sir.
So I'm asking about your weaknesses, yeah, not your father's.
Okay, sir. And sir, I have a habit of I have had a habit of eating more, and for as I was overweighted, so I had to reduce my fat, and for that I had to reduce my overeating. So I controlled on that, and I tried to switch the sweets because it was the major factor for gaining the weight. So I stopped eating sweets. Yes, sir.
Okay, now what are you doing to overcome all these weaknesses and how much you have improved?
Sorry, sir. I'm not getting voice.
Okay, I will repeat the question again. I'm asking that uh, what have you done to improve your weaknesses means to overcome your weaknesses?
Sir, I try to face different types of situation as I didn't go out from Kanpur, and now I try to go wherever I can go. I have moved around in Delhi, Nagpur, and Bhopal, and went to SSB Allahabad, and I faced so many situations. After that, sir, for improving my means
सर
overeating,
थोड़ी सी चेंज डाल
I improved on that. I told,
थोड़ी सी डाल
बाकी लोग अपने
सर
माइक
में
ऑफ
से
कर
ज्यादा
दो.
होने तो
द रिमेनिंग वंस प्लीज टर्न ऑफ योर माइक. माइक ऑफ कर दो बाकी लोग. Okay, Avnish, what are you doing to overcome your weaknesses? Correction, overcome your nervousness, your emotional. You are emotionally weak also. So, what have you done to improve these things? And I would like to know that you have been eating more. So, what have you done to this overcome this weakness also? You may start.
sorry, sir, am I to tell that what I'm doing for improving this weakness?
Yes.
Okay, sir. So, sir, as I told that I went out from Kanpur. I tried to visit as many places as I can, and I tried to face different types of situation in my life. After that, I'm becoming a better person, and I tried to make myself emotionally tough.
Any situation which has made you tough?
And sir, sorry, sir.
Any situation that has made you tough?
Sorry, sir. I'm not able to get the voice.
Okay. Just आवाज आ रही है सबको है? आवाज आ रही है सबको?
यस सर
अवनीश आ रही है आवाज?
यस सर
No, sir. आवाज
जस्ट लेट मी रिकनेक्ट. एक बार और रिकनेक्ट करता हूँ मैं. अब तू भी एक बार रिकनेक्ट कर ले. जस्ट वेट अ मिनट. Now I would like to ask that,
Yes, sir.
as you have already mentioned that you are emotionally weak and you have told that you have explored many places. For example, you have explored Delhi, Nagpur, Bhopal. I would like to know that what was the mentally tough situation that you have faced and means emotionally tough situation that you have came across and you have tried to overcome this. Can you please explain or tell that situation to me? आवाज नहीं आ रही है. माइक ऑन करो. माइक ऑन करो. अवनीश माइक ऑन. माइक ऑन. माइक ऑन. आवाज नहीं आ रही तुम्हारी शायद से. तुम्हारी आवाज ही नहीं आ रही है.
आ रही
हेलो.
आ रही है सर उसकी आवाज
बाकी लोगों को आवाज आ रही है यार?
यस सर आ रही है
हाँ.
उसकी आवाज
अवनीश की आ रही है आवाज तुमको?
यस सर
जो मैं कनेक्ट डिस्कनेक्ट करता हूँ क्या थोड़ी देर. जस्ट वेट.
Okay, sir. So, sir, whenever I see some people who are needy and some children who are not able to get education, I feel a little emotional for them. And I've also told the same to my parents. And now I'm determined to do something for them also. If in future I become a successful person, so for me the success will be when I will be able to shoulder the responsibility of needy people and those children.
Okay, means you are not doing right now. So don't you think that you can also do right now for the needy people? What have you done for those needy people up till now?
Sir, sir, there was a NGO who used to come to my school every year, and we used to make a donation for the needy people, and it was sent to the NGOs. So I donated my money, and not my money. I collected it from my society, and I gave my old books and some clothes for these people. But right now, what I think that something more can be done, and for doing that, I want to join Indian Army for sure.
What was the name of the NGO?
Sir, that was Subhash Children's Society.
Okay, that's great. And how would you like to contribute by joining Indian Army at NGO?
Sir, I want to do something as the whatever the children, the number of the children I can take responsibility. I would love to take them their responsibility for their education, and
Okay.
means if I'll be able to take the responsibility of 10 children, I'll do that.
Okay, that's great. Now you may continue that how you are overcoming your nervousness when you are initiating the task.
Okay, sir. So, sir, before initiating the task, now I try to do some means yoga before just initiating the task. As there's Anlom Vilom, I was told to do it before doing any task, and it will reduce nervousness.
And what else? Only Anulom Vilom you do in yoga and nothing else.
No, sir.
Okay, that's great. Okay, Avinish, I would like to know that I would like to know about your friends more. How many friends are there in your friend circle? Do tell me that who is your best friend. Moreover, I would like to know that two good qualities and two bad qualities of your best friend. I would like to know that what are the things you like in your best friend, right? And compare yourself with him with three qualities. And what are the similarities and what are the dissimilarities
Okay, sir.
of your best friend with you? You may start.
Okay, sir. So, sir, I have so many friends, and 4 or 5 of them are so much close to me. I have a best friend. He is with me since class 6, and the qualities I liked about my best friend that he is trustworthy, and whatever the issues are there, if I tell to him, he listens everything, and try to try to fix the problems if he can. After that, sir, he is also involved with my family, and we regularly visit each other's home, and we are known to our families. Uh, the good quality, I as I mentioned that he's trustworthy. After that, sir, he has a great confidence, as we both of us are doing singing. So I think that he is more confident than me whenever he is going to face the stage. The bad quality, sir, nothing is bad in my friend there, but still he is not so much good in studies. So we help each other, as he helps me in singing, and I try to help him in the studies. If I want to compare myself from the friend, so sir, talking about the confidence, he has better confidence than me. And talking about the singing skills, we both try to face the stage together. We have done so many duos, so our singing level is equal. And talking about the academics, somewhere uh, I am better than him.
Okay, personality wise, you tell, yeah. That personality wise, I don't want to listen about the singing academics. That how much means how better is he than you?
So, sir, talking about the personality, we both are same, and he is also a broad-minded person. We try to help other people who are there in the class, and
You are
if
not a bright, bro. You
we
are
used
not a
to come,
broad-minded person. I think you are not a broad-minded person.
no, sir, uh, we both are broad-minded person, and we try to solve whatever the problem in the class there. We try to solve it on our own, and with that broad-minded personality also. We used to come to home by
Tell me,
bicycles
tell me
together.
last incident that you have done your broad-minded personality kind of thing activity.
So once at last in 2019, when we were in class 12, then the whole class was not supporting for celebrating the Teachers Day, as they were saying that it's going to be off, so they are not going to go to the teacher's home for wishing her. So we both went to them, and we collected as many boys and girls we could, and we collected the money, and after that we bought some
Okay,
presents
that's great.
and
That's
some
great.
sweets for the
That's great. Now I would like to listen your similarities and dissimilarities with your best friend. What is the name of your best friend?
the Shell and Sahu.
Okay, okay. Now continue with the answer.
Okay, sir. Similarities that sir, personality wise.
Yes, exactly. Personality. This is a personality test. You should be on to the personality.
Okay, sir. So, sir, we both are broad-minded. We both are helpful, and we both have good communication skills. After that, the dissimilarity is he is not so good in the academics, and not so good according to the practical knowledge. Yes, sir. That's it.
Okay, you are good in practical knowledge.
Uh, yes, sir.
You are not being confident, I suppose. Okay.
So I am confident, but I thought it will not be good to tell.
What?
Means it will something like boasting.
Okay. You don't believe in self-boasting.
No, sir.
Okay, that's great. Okay. Okay, Avnish, I would like to know that what is the thing that completely lacks in you and is there in your friend? I would also like to know that why Avnish is better than you.
Sorry, sir.
I would like to know that what is the quality that completely lacks in you. Two qualities, right? And I would also like to know that how Avnish is better than you.
Uh, so as I think that everyone qualities something is present in a quantity. So, sir, I don't think that there's some qualities which are not present in me, uh, and I want to be more self-organized, and I want to organize my task as if.
थोड़ा सा pause लेता हूँ यहाँ पे रुक जाओ.
So, I think that no quality is totally absent in anyone. The matters is the quantity matters. Something is less or something is more. So I don't think that there's quality which is completely lagging in me, but I want to be a person who is able to be there in need of our of everyone. Uh, uh, and sir, my friend has also all the qualities as I was saying. So sir,
So any one quality you tell na,
that's it.
at least you haven't tell any quality. You are telling that I quality like sincerity, devotion, anything else.
So, sir, the quality I think that is less in me is organizing myself in a better way. As if I make a routine, sometimes I'm not able to follow the routine.
Okay.
Not happens always, but sometimes it happens.
When it happens that
So
you are
that's
late,
such.
what was the last incident that happened that you were not able to follow the routine?
Sir, as sometimes I think that I have to go for a run in evening also, but I'm not able to do that. And if I make a routine for the study that I'm to study it for 1 hour, other subject for 2 hours. I'm not able to follow that routine.
Okay, you were telling me that you go for running every day and you are now skipping the running. It is not justified, I think.
No, sir. I went in morning, but if I think that I am to go in evening also, then I'm not able to do it
Okay, that's
regularly.
great. I'm very impressed about you. Okay, you tell me that how your friend is better than you. Two qualities.
Sir, one thing is he is more confident than me, and sorry, sir.
I'm asking that how your friend is better than you.
Sir, one thing he is more confident than me, and I think he's the one guy who is there in between all the students of the class. And as I was not able to means regulate all the class, but he is the guy who used to sit with the back benchers as well as the front benchers. He was a better guy to mix up with the class.
You are not a social person, right? Mix up with the guys. Okay, that's great. You take time.
No, sir,
You
I'm
take a
not
little bit.
saying that, but I'm saying that he is better than me.
Okay, means you take a little bit time to mix up with the people slowly and gradually, right? Okay, that's great. No problem. Everyone, we all are human beings,
Yes,
and we
sir.
usually take time to talk to people whenever we are in a new environment. Okay, Avnish, now I would like to know about your daily routine. You tell me that what you do in your weekdays. You also tell me that what you generally do in your weekends. You may continue.
Sir, on my weekends, I try to complete the work which was left throughout the week. And on my weekends, I try to spend time with my family more on the Sundays. And I go for some enjoyment. I try to visit some malls or nearby places on the Sunday. And I try to meet those friends who were not with me throughout the week, and that's how I spend my weekend.
And your weekdays, normal days, I would like to know. You are not able to understand that.
S- so on normal days, I I wake up on 5 o'clock in the morning. After that, I go for a run, and coming back, I do some skipping and some push-ups, pull-ups. After that, I refresh myself, take breakfast, and go to the college. Returning from the college, I return from college at 2:30. After that, I have food and read little books which are there for me. After that, I spend my time with the studies till 6 o'clock. Then I listen some music or spend time with my sister. And on 6.5, I give a tuition for an hour. And sir, after that, I continue to my study.
That's great. Which all books have you read up till now?
Sir, I have read Wings of Fire by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, sir, and Leadership by Kiran Bedi. Right now, I'm reading a book named, uh, so I'm not able to
Okay,
recall
no
that.
problem. That's no problem. How many books have you read up till
I
now?
have, sir, uh, 6 or 7.
Okay, six or seven. Six or seven. Correct figure. I would like to know. I'm not able to listen you.
Sir, 7.
You are telling six
7.
or seven. You should be very correct now. You should be confident enough. I think that really you are underconfident right now. Okay, that's no problem. Now tell me
Okay, sir.
that what are the qualities you see before making your friend, before making friends?
So I see the qualities as they are trustworthy, and uh, I try to see that they are social person who are there in who are having a great having an honor in this society.
Okay,
Uh,
so you will not talk to a
that's it,
person
sir.
who is a beggar.
Not other standards for making
Okay,
friends.
that's great. You will not talk to a person who will be beggar or
Sorry,
who
sir.
will be not having a very good status in the society.
And no, sir, means status means he is a person who is not involved in any bad activity.
Okay, that's so you are a very good person, I suppose. Okay, Avnish, that's very good.
No, sir, not so good.
What are the bad things done in you?
Uh, Sir, sometimes I go with my friends and I don't follow the timings of home, and that's it, sir. Not so much bad I do
Okay, you were
in
telling
my
that I
regular
am
life.
also not that much good. Then definitely there should be any uh, flaws in you, right? Okay, Avnish, I have talked to you a lot, and it was a very nice session with you. It was a very nice talking to you. Any questions you would like to ask to me?
Thank you, sir. No, sir, no questions.
Any queries?
No, sir.
Okay. All the best for your next task. Thank you.